guys, welcome back. It's me, of course. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is neesha, and I am Neesha from J&N Crew. So today I'm going to do a video, obviously, and we're going to be cooking. Now, I'm going to be making shrimp alfredo. My sister came home with some from Olive Garden, and I was like, dang, I really want some shrimp. I haven't had no shrimp in a minute either. So I was like, yeah, let me just get some. You know, so I went to the grocery store, picked up some Alfredo sauce and some noodles. So if you guys want to continue this journey with me as I prepare this shrimp Alfredo, stay tuned. So the light is annoying in here because it's behind the stove, like, and then I got these cracks on my phone, so that's why it's like a glare, y'all. Like, it's treacherous. I have cracked my screen 3 times in the past like 2 months. Ridiculous. And gotten it fixed twice, but I'm honestly going to get my screen fixed again because I cannot deal with the camera business. Like, it's really irritating. But yeah, like, all this little glare business right here, like, it's only because my screen is cracked. I'm gonna make some broccoli and some noodles. Not good enough, I need somebody. So does anybody like typing in your password and you feel like you messed it up, so you delete the whole thing just to redo it again? I do that. Now, after you bring your water to a boil, you're gonna insert the noodles. My water is boiling. My mom always taught me that when you put in noodles in the pot, you need to like break it up. I don't like my noodles choppy like this much. What? Actually, I was gonna put it in there. I ain't even gonna chop it up. Yeah. Hey, why you always take so long to call me? You know I gotta wake up and you know you're a real church girl when you turn everything into a church song, like, regardless of what it is. I had like 3 bags I got from this grocery store. I'm just gonna use one of them as a trash bag because I'm gonna always be complaining. Make sure you put your threads up. Make sure you put your threads. Now, once you put your noodles in, you want to turn it down some because you don't want it to cook too fast. You know. Update on my life. I'm supposed to be getting a camera next week. Because this phone business ain't working. So I'm gonna get a camera. And then after I get a camera, I can do videos on my camera. Yay! So after that, like, I've really been getting like Christmas gifts like before Christmas. Like, I got my MacBook before Christmas, and I thought I heard something other than this music. But yeah, so I was talking to my boyfriend. I was like, we ain't gonna have nothing to get each other for Christmas because we getting everything before Christmas. But it's cool though. I still got something up my sleeve. I have a problem with taking things out too early. Like, I can think it's the right time to take it out, and it really don't be. But anywho, running and I keep looking at you. So I'm just about done. Like, I got my broccoli on and my noodles look fairly done. They feel done. They're not really hard or anything. They just feel soft like noodles, how noodles are supposed to feel. I think I'm almost done. I'm gonna show y'all the end result. I'm so inconsistent with these videos, but I did finish cooking. I did burn the house down. You see I still have my lovely house behind me. But it was so good. Like as soon as I got done eating, I KO'd. Like I was done for it. But it was really good.